Now, question 57. The principle that possession is prima facie proof of ownership is contained under Indian Evidence Act 1872 in option B. Next question. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, a public document can be proved by. Correct answer is option C. Certified copy. Next question. Evidence given by a dumb witness in the court by writing or sign shall be deemed to be. Correct option is option B. Next question. Section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 applies where there is a dispute regarding the. Correct answer is option B. Paternity of a child. Next question. 61. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 relates to which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? The correct answer is option D. Next question. Any private person may arrest any person who is in the presence commits a. Correct option is option C. Next question. Magistrate may convert summon case into warrant case during trial in the interest of justice. Is the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term? Correct answer is option D. Next question. No court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable with not more than 3 years after the expiry of. Correct option is option C. 3 years. Next question. Under section 248 clause 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, correct option is option B. Next question. In the writ petition of Constable 243 CP Mohan Singh and others versus the State of Uttarakhand and others, the fact in issue is related to. Correct option is A. Promotion. Next question. Which section of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 defines witness? Correct option is option D. Governor. Next question. Who can make regulations for prevention or investigation of crimes and maintenance of law and order? Correct option is option A. Subject to the approval of the state government, the Director General of Police. Next question. Before whom the annual report of the State Police Complaints Authority shall be laid? Correct option is C. The State Assembly. Next question. Who shall be the chairperson of Uttarakhand State Police Board? Correct option is B. Home Minister. Next question. Who shall be the chairperson of Police Establishment Committee? Correct option is option D. Director General of Police. In exceptional circumstances, who is authorized to direct the police force and armed police units in revenue police area? Correct option is C. District Magistrate. Next question. Which of the following sections of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 permits the police officer to take charge of unclaimed movable property not being a case property? Correct option is option B. Next question. Who is empowered to frame rules for witness protection as a measure of human rights protection? Correct option is option A. State government. Next question. Which chapter of Uttarakhand Police Act 2007 is related to the police accountability? Correct option is C. Next question. Police personnel means such police officers whose appointing authority is. Correct option is B. Director General of Police or any other subordinate to him. Next question. A person may be appointed as an independent member of a state police board for a term of. Correct option is option D. 2 years. Next question. Who among the following may establish Bureau of Police Research and Development? Correct option is option C. Next question. The State Police Complaints Committee shall forward the complaints of misconduct received by it for further action to the. Correct option is option A. Next question. Directorate of Prosecution may be established by the. Correct option is C. State government. Officer in charge of police station shall report the cases of all persons arrested without warrant to. Correct option is option D. District Magistrate. Next question. A warrant of arrest may be executed. Correct option is option C. At any place in India. Next question. Security for keeping peace and good behavior from habitual offenders may be ordered by the. Correct option is option B. Next question. Imprisonment for failure to give security for keeping the peace shall be. Correct option is option B. Next question. In which of following case prosecution's witness was prosecuted for perjury? Correct option is option C. Next question. In which of the following case it was held that High Court cannot directly entertain bail application of POTA accused without the refusal by a special court? Correct option is option A. Next question. In which of the following case it was held that the provisions of Section 164 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is to be strictly complied with? Correct option is option B. Next question. Rights of an arrested indigent person to free legal aid and to be informed about was upheld in. Correct option is option C. Next question. Conditional order for removal of nuisance may be passed by. Correct option is option D. Next question. Under which of the following sections of Code of Criminal Procedure an order of injunction may be issued by the executive magistrate? Correct option is option B. Next question. Any magistrate who has made an order of detention under Section 167 Code of Criminal Procedure shall forward a copy of his order to. Correct option is option A. Chief Judicial Magistrate. Next question. During trial and before the charge has been framed, if complainant does not appear on the date fixed for his appearance, the magistrate may. The correct answer is option C. Next question. The composition of an offence under Section 320 of Code of Criminal Procedure shall have the effect of. Correct answer is option B. Acquittal. Next question. Under the Indian Constitution, the Code of Criminal Procedure has been kept in. Correct option is option C. Next question. In which of the following case it was held that identity of the victim is not to be disclosed even in the judgment of the court? Correct answer is option C. Dinesh versus State of Rajasthan. Next question. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 came into force on. Correct option is B. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched under Code of Criminal Procedure? Correct option is option C. Next question. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure has not been inserted by the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013? Correct answer is option D. Next and last. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure provides that court will not alter the judgment after signing on it? Correct option is option C.